Kung nag-crave kag Japanese food, this is one of the best Japanese restaurants that we can recommend for you, serving authentic Japanese cuisine crafted by skilled Japanese chefs, bringing Japanese vibe in Cebu. And the good news is na sila'y summer sale promo hantod August 31. With that, you can enjoy up to 50% off on selected Japanese meals. Sugda nato sa ilang Wagyu Saikoro Gyu, usa ni ka premium type of beef from Japan maong mahalo ni kay maayo sad ang klase. The meat is very tender and rich in flavor. Maayong ipare sa ilang refreshing nga mango shake. Next is Salmon Tekka Gyu. As expected, fresh and quality ang ilang salmon. And not just that, naasay tuna which is good as well. And another fish meat nga ma-enjoy sa ninyong taman. Of course, naapoy pang kids with their kids bento. Naay boneless chicken with own sauce, rice, flavorful takoyaki, and macaroni salad as side dish. Next is their Yukimaru Omo rice. Abi na mong ordinary omelette with rice nga naay nindot nga presentation lang, but this is actually good, full of flavor tungod sa mga sauces and also naay timpla ang rice itself. Usa sa among pinakapaborito kay kaning spicy pork teriyaki don. Promise di jud ni kamahayan choy. Pork is tender, full pack of flavor ug sakto lang ang ka-spicy. Aduna say kimchi as side and lami sa dipare sa pork. And finally kaning galbi bibimbap. Lami kayo lang taon, hayag sa mata, very colorful and i-mix lang tanigtaman. Depende na po sa imuhang gusto. Mao ni ang mukompleto sa imuhang Japanese food cravings. Kana tanan diri lang matilawan sa Yukimaru Modern Izakaya nga located sa Vibo Place, Iscarrio, Kamput House, Cebu City. Open daily from 11 a.m. to 12 midnight. Satisfy your Japanese cravings without spending too much from your savings. At tak na dayon choy!
We kind of missed the Philippines today, so we're at Seafood City and we're gonna get Filipino food. Turo, turo.
Chef, please. Done.
We got food, Filipino food for the Filipino booze.
And so much food, actually.
I was craving palabok, my favorite. This is laing. Laing is, I don't know how to explain.
Coconut milk with
Coconut.
spinach, is it?
It's not spinach. It's like a green with coconut milk.
Thank you, Lord, for this food, Lord.
Grilled squid, there's stuffing in it, like tomatoes. Is it? Is there stuffing?
There should be.
Yeah, like tomatoes, onions, yummy. Barbecue chicken.
Lately, I've been seeing all these people do videos of them tasting Filipino food for the first time, and they love it's like putting in their mouth and their
Really?
expression. They're like, whoa.
We're gonna try lying first.
No, double's good.
Not doing carbs, so these rices are gonna go to JR. Not doing carbs, but I'm doing freaking palabok. It's a cheat day.
No, thank you. Suba.
Squid. No, you know what I ate for this? The sauce with chili and calamansi. The thing is, you have to eat it with rice. Not complete without rice.
Paano yun? No chili. Like this one.
Yeah. Lemon, not calamansi.
Eh, walang calamansi.
Toyo with lemon, not calamansi. Weird.
Lemon.
That's what you call we live in America.
LA, baby.
I miss Lipa Grill food or Bama Grill and Andox. Oh, and JR has adobo. Chicken adobo, sinigang soup. Just buy some.
Like,
Sile.
yeah, one sila rip.
I know, right?
Flying Ilocos Empanada. Mapalit sa Ayala Central Block sa food court. Ano ba nila yung girl? Central Block. Kasi kalahan sa special sa cheese lang. Yung central lang. Isa na mong tao. Namin lang sa pagpili mo eh. Ikaw mo nakapalit. Maka-crave siya guys. Hindi ko siya oily. Na-drain din. Kung mayo yahang oil. Maka-crave siya kay magpangita. Adyo po ano.
Lami og affordable na seafood ang ako ang matry for today's video. Well, diri ra daay na sa Mukja Kajun Seafood Restaurant. Dali ra gyud ka makakita ani nga restaurant kay naara sila sa IT Park Terminal. Nice ang ambience sa restaurant, mura pod kag naa sa kubo na daplin sa dagat bisag way dagat. Ug mao day ni ilahang menu for your price reference. For sure afford ra gyud na nimo. Nag-order mi sa seafood boodle large nga good for 5 to 6 person. Daghan og sulod ang seafood boodle fight na ay squid, scallops, shrimp, corn and crabs. Nag-try pod ko sa cheese baked scallops. So lami jud ani ang must try ka ng init pa. And this seafood bok fry medley, sulit pod kaayo siya and lami. This spicy Cajun chicken, so soft and tender ang chicken. Perfect ang flavor sa sauce and lami with rice. And this scallops popcorn, okay ra pod iyang taste and soft pod siya. Kung ganahan kag burgers na apod sila tulo ka flavor. Na Iberian shrimp burger, chicken burger and Krabby Patty burger. And daghan pod sila klase-klase sa desserts diri. Nakatry ko sa banana caramel. Perfect match jud ang banana with caramel. And nag-try ko sa brownie alamode. Sakto ra jud ang katamis, perfect jud siya pang dessert. So kung nag-crave kag seafoods, ayaw na jud pagduha-duha ari na sa Mukja Kajun. Bagong open nga Taiwanese chicken ang atoa na pong na-discover. Swa kaayo sa budget ang price and dako ilahang chicken. For sure nga mabusog gyud ka sa ilang mga foods. Diri ra daay na sa XL Taiwanese chicken na located diri sa EDCH Food Park. Daghan kaayo klase-klase nga baligya diri. Ni-attend day mi sa grand opening sa XL Taiwanese chicken. Super affordable ra gyud ang prices. First time daay ko makatry og Taiwanese chicken, maong excited kaayo ko. Mano-mano gyud ang pagluto sa ilahang chicken, maong kaon nimo init pa jud. Nag-order day ko sa ilahang sisig. And of course sa ilahang XL Taiwanese chicken and poppers. Sharog di ka mabusog dako kaayo na ilahang chicken oh. And it comes with 2 sauces. Ang first na kong gitry kay ang sisig with rice. Lamian ko sa ilahang sisig, dili oily and dili kay siya parat sakto ra gyud iyahang lasa. Daghan-daghan gyud kog nakaon ani nga time kay lami gyud ang sisig guys. And naapod sila'y sisig for share. As in a must try gyud ni ilahang sisig. Next kay ang Taiwanese chicken poppers with rice. Crispy and malasa na ang chicken. Sulit kaayo ni nga meal ay 69 pesos ra. Ang next kay ang XL Taiwanese chicken with rice. Extra large jud ang chicken bisag ako kay dili na ako siya mahurot sa kadako. Same pud ang lasa ani sa chicken poppers. Maong kung ganahan ka og sulit og makabusog nga food, ali og pagday na dere sa XL Taiwanese chicken.
Mo kong daanin sa kwento, Diana. Ano sabi ng barangay?
Kulit ako. Sabi ko barangay. Kukunin ako barangay. Kasi tanong, ampun ka lang.
Hindi yan ampon, no? You look like each other. You look like that. Oy. Bad you. Say sorry. Hannah, that's not true. You know that. You say sorry. Are you say sorry? Kasi
Tara Choy, uban na po ninyo sa lain na po nga food trip karong adlaw. Kay aduna namin nasuwayan nga crispy boneless chicken sa Orhelio from the streets of Taiwan. Mao ni ang XL Taiwanese chicken offering extra large boneless chicken nga kanunay bagong luto, maong crispy, juicy and bursting with flavor in every bite. 100% chicken, no extenders. For 119 pesos lang na nakay XL chicken. Puno lang kag 10 pesos if with rice. You can choose up to 3 dips, mayo sriracha, buffalo sauce and gravy. Although nahutdan sila gravy pag anhinamo, goods ra kay quality gihapon ng ubang sauce. Aduna say Taiwanese chicken junior with rice for 99 pesos only. Junior pero for us dako na pud ang serving pero mas budget meal. Mabusog na ka, makatipid pa ka. Naa say Taiwanese chicken popper with rice nga tag 69 pesos for solo and 149 pesos for salo-salo. Taiwanese braised pork nga tag 79 pesos, tender with rich savory pork that melts in the mouth. Sisig with rice for 79 pesos, and for appetizer they have this fried mantou buns with condensed milk and dark chocolate dip for 55 pesos only. Akong usbon diri lang na matilawan sa XL Taiwanese chicken nga located sa EDCH Food Park, J. Orhelio Street, Cebu City. Open from 11 AM to 8 PM Monday to Saturday. Busa ay namo paglangan sa waye ang bagong trending nga crispy boneless chicken sa Orhelio from the streets of Taiwan. Tara Chuy, atak na!
This is baby darling. She's crying now because we don't know why. Look at her. So look at the phone. Like, oh, how's the cheek? How's the cheek over there? Is that you, Bobo?
Why are you not talking to me? Is it because I'm your older sister? But ni mo dara oy paghilom ra gud. Do you hate me? Dili ko mahigstorya nimo, sige ra ka English. Isud sad may English ko diri.
Tamang inasal ka lang pwede kumain ng ganito, no? Nakakamay. Nang hindi kayo judge. Kuling-kuling sa camera. Nag-abot lang kanin. The best talaga inasal.
Rice terraces.